Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video we're going to tackle about the packet tracer activity on chapter 10 in the NetAcad. So this packet tracer activity is entitled using show commands. So the objectives in this packet tracer activity is to analyze show command output, and part 2 is reflection questions. So this activity is designed to reinforce the use of router show commands. You are not required to configure, but rather examine the output of a several show commands. So part 1, analyze the show commands. So step 1, connect to ISP router. Click the ISP PC, then the desktop tab, followed by terminal. So click the ISP PC, and we're going to desktop, and then terminal. Then we're just going to click here, okay. Then we're going to enter the privilege exec mode and use the following show command to answer the reflect questions in part 2. So first, we will enter the uh, show ARP command. So basically, using the ARP commands allows you to display and modify different address solution protocol. So that's how this ARP command works. So next is do show flash command. So the show plus command, this is used to show the files in your flash. The command show flash is similar to dir flash, but it is provide a little more information on the size and type of the flash memory in your router. So next command that we're going to type is show IP root. So the show IP root command is used to show the router's routing table. So that's all about uh, the show IP root. And the next command that we will going to type is the show interfaces. So the show interfaces command provides tons of useful informations about the configuration and status of the IP protocol and its service of all the interface. So that's all about the show interfaces. So next command that we are going to type is so show IP interface brief. So the show IP interface brief commands provide a quick status of the interface on the router, including their IP address, layer 2 status, and layer 3 status. So that's all about the show interface brief command. So next command that we are going to try is the show protocols. So the show protocols exec command to use display the configured protocols. So this command shows the global and interface specific status of any configure level protocol. For example, is IP, IPX, Apple Talk, and so on and so forth. So that's all about the show protocol command. And the next command that we're going to enter is the show user command. Users. And basically, the show user command provides information about the lines being used for configuration or device monitoring. So that's all about the show user command. So next is the show version. Sorry. Going to show version command. So the show version command provides a valuable set of information depending on your type of router. Different hardware configuration and non-standard software options are displayed by the show version command, just like the show here, or the important information of it. So next is we're done in the part one in analyze and show command outputs. So we're going to X here, and next is we're going to answer the part 2 reflection questions. So the question number 1 is which command would provide an IP address, network prefix, and interface? So the command would provide the IP address and the network prefix and interface will be show IP route and show protocols. So next, proceed to the next question is which command provide the IP address and interface assignment but not the network prefix. So the command that provide the IP addresses and interface assignment but not the network prefix is the show IP interface brief. So next question is which commands provide the status of the interfaces? So the commands that provide the status of the interfaces is the show interfaces and show IP interfaces brief. So next question, which commands provide information about the iOS loaded on the router? So the command that provide the information about the iOS loaded on the router is the show version. So next question, uh, which commands provides information about the addresses of the router interfaces? So the commands that provide the information about the addresses of the router interfaces should be there are two of there are two commands, which is the show ARP and the show interfaces. So next question is which commands provide information about the amount of the flash memory available? So the commands that provide the information about the amount of and flash memory available is the show version and the show flash. So next question, which commands provides information about the lines being used for configuration or device monitoring? So the commands that provide information about the lines being used for configuration or device monitoring is the show user. Next is which commands provide traffic statics of router interfaces. So the command that provides the static or router interfaces would be the show interface command. So next question is which commands where are we now? Number 9. Which command provides information about paths available for network traffic? So the commands that provide the information about the paths available for network traffic is the show IP route. And the last question is which interfaces are currently active on the router? So as you can see here, our topology and the interface that are currently activated on the router is the gigabit Ethernet /0 and the serial 0/0/1. So, so I think that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something and I share some ideas that might help you in studying the Cisco one. So if you like this video and if you learned something, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.